Hi, welcome to Mulberry Junction. This evening I'm going to be spraying the Class 89 model. I'm doing the first part of the spraying, which is the white. The kit itself, it's a resin body, Class 89 body, which is that. Also it has the bogie side frames. It also has that part. I think that's the battery box, and also this one, I think that's the air compressor. I'm not too sure with these two pieces. Like I said, I'm not too sure, but I think that's what they are. The battery box and the air compressor. They go on either side of the chassis, in between the bogies. And it also has buffers. The model, the kit doesn't come with a pantograph though. It should go here, so you have to buy a separate one. I'm thinking about getting a Summerfelt one. Not too sure yet though. See what's available when I come to wanting to buy one in a week or two's time. So that's something for the future bit. The colours that I'm going to be spraying it in are the Umbrel number 22 gloss white, which is that one. So that's number 22. The Umbrel 69 yellow, which is this one, that way around. That's Umbrel number 69. And the Rail Match Executive Dark Grey numbered 1201, which is that one. The order that I'm going to be spraying it in, excuse me, yep, the order that I'm going to be spraying it in, spraying the 89 in, is the white first, then the yellow, and then the Executive Dark Grey. And I was painting it in the Intercity livery. The reason I'm painting it in Intercity livery is because that was when the loco was named Avocet. So the Intercity livery, it's got the white cab roof. The sides down the front of the cab there are white, and white along the bottom, all across there on the body, and back up on the other side with the white, and then the rear cab roof as well. Depending on which way you look at it, it's got a cab either end, so I don't know which is number 1 or number 2 end, but both cab roofs are white. It's got a small warning panel yellow at the front. Then around the cab window it's black. Then the top half of the body, that's the Executive Dark Grey, and the roof along the top. So I'm going to put the camera on pause now and get my white paint ready. Like I say, it's a spray, so it won't be too long to get ready. You just shake the cans with these, and then I'll start spraying the model. So I'll just put the camera on pause. Okay, I've just tried painting the model and then I dropped it. So I've basically gone over it with some white spirit and got rid of the paint that I've already put on. I'm just going to try and paint it again. Okay, so I think I'll leave it for the time being now. I've got the first coat of white on, so I'll do another coat of white paint tomorrow and see how it goes. It's not looking too bad at the moment. It does look like I've missed a little bit with the releasing agent just there. Another couple of tiny little spots there. So I'll try and get them tomorrow. That area I think might just be covered with a transfer anyway, but I'm not too sure yet. So I'll just turn the camera off for the time being. Yesterday I started painting my class 89. This morning, well, dinner time today, the donor chassis came, the class 47 model. It's the Hornby Railroad 47033 in triple grey in Speedlink distribution livery. The reason that I've got this particular one is because it was a DCC sound fitted loco when Hornby made it, but the person that had it before me, I'm guessing has probably bought it just to have the sound chip, whereas I don't need the sound chip, I just needed a DCC ready chassis. So that's the reason that I bought it. So it's just the normal Railroad 47. To open it up to put the decoder in, all you need to do is just remove the front two buffers and the rear two buffers, then the body shell just lifts off, and then your decoder socket's already inside the model. So I'll be doing that in a moment. I'll show you how to fit the chip in a moment. It's dead easy, it's just a pushing 8-pin socket, so it's dead easy. This is as far as I've got so far with the 89, so it's all over white now. I'm going to put another coat of paint on it, just to make the paint a little bit deeper. So I only do fine sprays, so usually I do two coats of paint. So that's what it looks like at the moment. So it's just one more light coat of paint to go on it for the white. Then I'll be doing the warning panel yellow on the front. Then once that's dry, then I'll be doing the dark grey on the top half of the body and the roof. Just put that there. Okay, so it's time to get the class 47 body off of the model. So I'll just put the camera on pause, won't be a moment. Okay, so I've opened up the class 47. All I did was I just removed the buffers, these 4 buffers from each corner of the loco. So this is the 8-pin blanking plate just here. The decoder that I'm going to be putting in the model is a Gauge Master DCC 27 decoder, that one. The reason I like these Gauge Master ones is because it's an 8 and 21 pin decoder. It comes with a harness. All you do is just plug the harness into the decoder socket at the side and just attach the 8-pin to the 8-pin receiver just there. So really easy to do. Yeah, I'll just open it up at the back. So the harness just goes into the decoder. So that's now ready to go into the loco. So I'll just remove the 8-pin socket. And just attach the decoder. So the chassis works. My track is pretty dirty, and the wheels on the chassis are dirty as well, so it just does need cleaning. But I'm happy with that it does work and stuff. So I think the next part now will be to carry on painting my 89 in a couple of days' time. I just couldn't resist running that chassis with body on. I think it looks alright myself. Still got a bit of a way to go with it. The warning panel yellow to go on, the black front window cab surround, and the executive dark grey for the roof and the body side, plus numbering the Avocet name and the Intercity lining on the side, the red and the white lining going along the body side. So there's a bit of work to do with it. They look pretty good when I get a full ray behind it of coaches. In the Intercity livery, I don't think it ever actually ran with Mark IVs. I don't think it ran with Mark IVs until the GNER era. So I'll just be using my Mark IIIs, also my Rake Dapple Mark IIs with it. Maybe even some Mark 1s. I've got a Rake Blue Grey Mark 1s which I don't think it ran with blue-grey ones, but it did run with Intercity livery mark ones, raspberry ripple set. So it did Thames Eden rail tour a few times, which is like, it comes up to Leeds from King's Cross, and then a diesel loco would take over it from Leeds up to Carlisle for Eden Valley. So I've seen it on that a few times. I've even seen an 86 on that when I was younger. Only the once though, but yeah, I would have nice like seeing an 86 going through Leeds, well to Leeds. So yeah, got a bit to look forward to, like I say, with 91 and with this 89 running on layout. So yeah, thanks for watching. Once the paint on the 89's like set hard with that white, I'll be doing the boning panel yellow, leaving that to dry for a couple of days, and the black, and then the executive dark date grey. So it will take a bit of time to actually do, but hopefully it'll be worth the wait. And it's a nice model. The railroad chassis that I've put it on works fine, no problems with that. So I'm happy today, yeah. And so I suppose this is the end of the video for the time being. So I'll do another video fairly soon. Yep, so thanks for watching and bye for now. Ta-ra.